designing and assembling. Shandong people adhere to the principle of the technological innovation as the top priority, quality and efficiency as the source of the important task. The combination of management and service the source, the business philosophy of the spirit of people, and continuously help customers invest in the technology research and development in key application areas to create safe, stable, easy to use, high efficient, high quality automation equipment for the majority of users. Firstly, we introduce the device of assembly of razor head. It includes precision positioning system of divider, man-machine interface operation system, automatic alarm and shutdown machine. Firstly, the top plastic piece is selected and fed by vibration disc, and once the infrared detected, it arrives at the designated location. The manipulator will take and put it into the assembly slot. The blades are fed up and down by overlapping method. They are inserted into slot by pneumatic displacement. The middle plastic piece is stamped by cylinder and then inserted into slot by pneumatic displacement. The bottom plastic piece is also selected and fed by vibrating disc, and once the infrared detected, it arrives at the designated location. The manipulator will take and put it above the top piece. Riveting is to rivet the upper and small pieces by using the upper and lower pressure of the cylinder. Up to now, the home razor head has been assembled, and each process has been equipped with testing to ensure that every product entering the next stage is qualified. Putting qualified razor head into the next step: equipment. Sticking lubrication strip equipment. Sticking lubrication strip equipment uses motor to transfer lubrication strip. Dispense glue and cooperate with the cylinder to transfer razor head and cut lubrication strip. Finally, it will be fed into the next step: assembly handle and protecting cover equipment. Assembly handle and protecting cover equipment uses the vibrating disc to select and deliver the handle and equally shift and fix the handle by divider. Finally, the razor head was covered with a protecting cover by the upper and lower pressing. Our aim is to achieve full automatic assembly from scattered parts to shower forming process.